The Grateful Dog and the Helpful Cat. In a beautiful park, there was a grateful dog and a helpful cat. The dog loved to run and play, while the cat enjoyed exploring and climbing trees. One sunny day, the dog got lost in the park. He felt scared and didn't know how to find his way back home. The cat saw the dog looking sad and decided to help. The cat meowed and led the dog through the park, showing him the path back home. The dog wagged his tail happily and thanked the cat for being so kind. From that day on, the dog and the cat became great friends. They played together, chased butterflies, and explored the park side by side. The dog was always grateful to the cat for helping him find his way home. He would often give the cat big, slobbery licks to show his appreciation. The cat and the dog taught everyone in the park the importance of helping one another and being grateful. They showed that when we lend a paw to a friend in need, we create beautiful friendships that last a lifetime. And so, the grateful dog and the helpful cat reminded us that kindness and gratitude make our friendships strong and our hearts full of happiness.